Here's how to use live wallpaper on your iPhone. Now, if you have iOS 18, you can always set up a live wallpaper or download one to use on your phone. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the settings here, and we'll scroll down until we find wallpaper and tap on that. Now, tap on the add new wallpaper here, and you're looking for the live photo button at the very top right. So tap on that. And you can see it defaults to all of the live photos on your phone. Now you can choose any of these live photos if you wanted to. Let's say I wanted to choose that one. Make sure the live button is turned on at the very bottom left. Sometimes that is turned off, so make sure that is turned on and just hit add. Now, if you don't necessarily like the live photos that are on your phone, you can also just open up a web browser here, and a great option is Pexels. You can see free iPhone wallpaper videos. These are live videos that will essentially play on your iPhone as wallpaper. But you can also just go back out of here and just search for iPhone live wallpaper. You can see a bunch of different resources that you can get free wallpapers to use and set on your iPhone. And then when you're ready, just hit the add button and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.